guys, this is Gail with Gail's Southern Living. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing an air fryer recipe, and this is being hosted by Jamie's Country Living, co-hosted by Tina at Life in the Piedmont Homestead, and myself, Gail Southern Living. So today I'm going to be making a fried apple pie in the air fryer. So let's see how this turns out. Alright, so I did cheat and buy a pie crust, but I did make my own apple pie filling. I will link the video that I followed to make this apple pie filling, but I did make mine smaller because I was trying to put it in these smaller, it's just like a pastry cutter type thing. I thought this would be good to put on the counter. I don't know if I'll have to roll it out or not, or just use it the thickness that it is. I'm just prepared with this just in case I need it. Alrighty. So I cheated on the pie crust, but I made my own apple pie filling. I've never done this before, but I was just, trying to use things that I had. I had this left from Christmas, and I didn't use it, this pie crust. So I thought this would be a great thing to do in the air fryer. So I'm going to try to, this is the closest thing that I could find to a circle. Of course, I'm going to be pushing down the ends of this, so let's see. Probably be able to get about 4 out of this. Okay. And because it's plastic, it's a little harder to make sure it's there. Okay. Be sure I push it in real good. And it comes with 2 crusts, so one will be the top and one will be the bottom. So this will make about 5. Probably will make 6, but after I'm done with this, I'll roll it out and try to make another one. So it should make about 6. But technically right now it's 5. So pull out our cute little flowers. Coming out really good. Yeah, I lost that one a little bit. That's okay, because I'm going to be actually pressing down on the edge, so it's not going to have this beautiful shape at the end anyway, so I'm not going to worry. This one's not coming out perfect either. I'm going to put this dough to the side. I will roll that out at the end and make a couple more. Apple pie filling wasn't too hard to make. I just peeled about 4 apples. I figured that would be enough for 2 people, a dessert in the air fryer. So I watched a few videos of this. Paula Deen had one that she did with cherry pie. But I really like apple better than cherry. So I wanted to do one that was a little bit more me. I didn't have any apple pie filling made right now, so I just looked up a recipe and made my own. Make sure I get that pushed real good. All right. Out pretty easily. There's a few that are kind of messed up, but like I said, I'm going to be pressing down the ends, so it's not going to have this pretty flower shape. Alright. I looked for a complete circle, but there wasn't one that I thought would be quite big enough. This one's definitely misshapen. Okay, all right, I'm going to put that dough to the side, and then let me get one. So we're going to put some of the apple pie filling on there. It won't really take very much because it's small and these apples are a little too big. and I want to get a little bit of the cinnamon, the filling part. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and press it down. And I'm just going to kind of close it with a fork. That's why I said it won't be a perfect shape. They said to kind of prick the top, a little bit of venting. All right, and then I can work on the next one. I thought I might maybe put some of the uglier pieces on the bottom, so maybe the top will look pretty. A little bit more. So the filling has apple. I didn't have heavy cream, so I used coconut milk and butter, a little bit of coconut oil, cinnamon, dash of salt, and I believe that's it. But like I said, I will link. I'm going to have to push this apple in a little bit to kind of try to fall out. It does still look kind of like a flower. And then slip the top. I actually have more of this on the stove, so this is not all of it. I cut 4 apples and peeled them. And of course they'll cook more in the air fryer. But they were pretty tender. All right. That one kind of gushed out a little. Kind of fun. That's pretty much how they did it in the videos I watched. So I did watch videos. I've never done this in the air fryer before. And I don't know, have to look back at the video. I don't know if you'll have to turn it over. I'm going to try to refer back to a video. I'm going to put this one on the bottom, and this one on the top. Alright, I'm going to get the air fryer ready and roll out the stove, make a couple more, and we'll see how much we can get out of the stove. Alright, I want to make some egg wash. So this did end up making 6. There's still a little bit more dough left that I'll throw something together with that. Okay, so what I'm going to do with the egg is I'm going to use this for an egg wash. So after they've cooked for a little while, I will egg wash them. And I think that's supposed to make the top brown a little bit more. Alright, so I got that ready. Let me go get the air fryer out and we'll get this going. Alright guys, I am back. I got my 6 little fried apple pies shaped like little flowers. I went ahead and lined the air fryer cup with foil, and I put a little olive oil on the bottom so it wouldn't stick because I don't have any cooking spray right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add these in. I don't know if it'll be easier. I think I can pick them up. So I'm just going to see how many I can get in here. I think I can maybe fit 3 in here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and egg wash the top. I'm egg washing the top so it'll brown on top. And then at some point I will flip these, and then I will egg wash the other side. All right, there's that. Cameraman, can you stop the camera for me? Okay, this is what this batch looked like, and I did 4 minutes, stopped it, and put some powdered sugar on it, and did another 4 minutes. I did not actually end up flipping it over, and so let's give these a try. Okay, here's my air fryer apple pies. Fried apple pies. Look good to me. That one came up really pretty. Some of the others are misshapen, but I bet they're delicious. I'm going to have to give one a try. Thank you for watching this video. I will link the playlist in the description box of this video, and I will also list the giveaway associated with this collaboration. You guys have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys. Bye, everybody.